Hi guys, welcome back to Bunny Brick Designs. So today we've got an unboxing for November, and it's Curated Bead Box, and this month is called Treasure Chest. I got it the same day as I got the curated or the bargain bead box, and so I figured I'm gonna try to do a bunch of videos really quick. Maybe not necessarily record them in the same order I'm going to publish them, but I wanted to go through this month's unboxing, and then I've got a poll for you to see what you'd like to see me do with this, because I was looking at the cover and I think I have some ideas. Anyway, so we've got a lot of good stuff, so we're gonna go through it one at a time, just so we can see what we've got. And so we have, first item is a 10mm latte colored glass pearl beads. So that's those. And I am going to open this up and put it in my tray, because we're going to be working on these here. And I think I'm going to put those in there for the moment. We have 10mm silver crackled glass beads, and I really like these. They look almost blue, but they're silver. Those are fabulous. I can't wait to play with these. So we're going to put those in my tray. And see, I love that with the gray, against the gray. And actually, I'm going to move these into here as well, I think. I really like these colors together already. I'm loving this so far. Next, we have 10mm rust gray duo style glass beads. That's these. They're crackled marble effect. I like these as well. And we will put those in with our mix. And then we have 6mm champagne round glass crackle beads. And that is these. Those are fun. I like the crackled glass. They make it look sparkly, glittery. I still can't get over those silver ones. So we'll add those to our mix, because I am going to be playing with these as soon as I can. I love this collection. It's neutral tones, but it's also sparkly. Next, we have 6mm latte jade style glass beads, 16-inch strand. That's these. Very nice coloring. And we're going to add those to this mix. I love the neutral tones, because I could add anything to this and have, you know, a really vibrant bead that'll stand out, or I could just use gold and silver with what we've got so far, and it's, yeah, it's just gorgeous. Next, we have approximately 1 ounce Cafe au lait designer glass bead mix. And that is this. And so I'm going to put this in my hand, and this is going to go separate. So this is a bunch of different color beads, some similar to what we've got there, some darker, some spotted blues, some pearls. Oh wow, there's just a lot going on there. So we're going to put that right in there. I have ideas. And then we have 1 ounce Sparkle and Shine designer glass beads. And that is this bag, which we'll have to find a spot for this. Ooh, I like these bicones. Those are gorgeous. I really like these. Those would make a great pair of earrings. There's 3 of those. 2 of the bicones, so that could make a pair of earrings. I love these luster finish beads that came with it. Oh, I really like this. We have some more of those silver beads in a smaller size. A frosted glittery silver bead. Some beads with some bright pink on it, so that makes it stand out a little bit. Ooh, this is really nice. It's like a big seed bead, but with a silver stripe on it. That's fabulous. And then you've got this, oh wow, I'm loving this. That's like a mirror finish. Oh my God, the faceting on this. I don't know if you can see that. I'm going to set all these beads in here for the moment and just try to see if you can see the faceting on this. It's like a million different tiny little cuts. And it's absolutely gorgeous. Oh, I love that. I've got ideas for that as well. I've got too many ideas. Next, we have 14x8 silver luster faceted bicone glass beads. So that was kind of similar to the bicones that are in here that we had. I think they're like this. So they're black and, you know, they've got a luster. I like those. We have 4mm gold iron beads, approximately 200. I'm not sure where that is. I guess that's these. 4mm. Those look smaller than 4mm, but so maybe those aren't it. Maybe those are from my stash. I didn't drop anything. Nope, I may be missing. We may be missing some beads. All right, so we will keep going. 8mm silver brass spacer beads. So that's those, very pretty. We have silver metal wine glass hoops. So that was these. When I first saw these in the pack, I thought these were earrings, but apparently they're wine glass hoops. I mean, yeah, they're wine glass hoops. So you hook a bead on there. I don't know if I will use these because I don't do a whole lot with wine glass stuff. Might use them as a component or something, but we're going to set those aside. I have 20 to 30mm Hamza silver metal charms. And so that's these I call them hand charms. They call them Hamza. So those are cute. I'm going to set those aside. And then we have silver metal square spacer beads. And I like these. They look like little Celtic knots. I like those. And we're going to set those. We'll set those in here. Let's do this. I'm going to put these actually in there because I like to have my metals on the outer edge. And then we have gold metal square spacer beads. And again, it's the same Celtic knot symbol. And then we have 1mm silver necklace memory wire. So this is memory wire. It's the longer wire. I may make a necklace with that. I have some ideas. And then, of course, as always, you get your findings kit that comes with like bracelet memory wire, jump rings. You get a lot of good stuff in this. So you get memory wire, you get your bead-alon, you get some stretchy cord, you get lobster claws, crimp beads, head pins, ear wires, and jump rings. So you get everything you need to make the jewelry. So, all right, and that is it. So, on to the question portion. So when I saw the cover and I saw that it was black and gold, and because when you look at the cover, you've kind of got an array of beads that you can look at and see what is going on there. And so I saw the silver crackle and I saw some of the browns, and my first thought was, I haven't done it in a while, but I do make things with shibori ribbon. So I went through before I opened up the box and pulled out one of my shibori ribbons that was this black and beigey color. And so what I was thinking, and you can tell me if you'd like to see me do it, is making a pendant with the shibori ribbon using some of the dark color beads, and then maybe adding in some pearls. So you'll see the pearls. And I don't know if anybody's ever done shibori with the Curated Bead Box before, but I thought, you know, we'll see. We'll take a poll. Do you want to see me do something with this? That would be a rather, probably a longer video or a couple of videos. I love doing shibori. It comes out very pretty. You know, again, I could put the silvers with it. These would go fabulous with this ribbon. So let me know in the comments what you think, and we will get started making some stuff with this in the next video. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.